Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the not working front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, gently take out the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Next, pull out the logic board frame with the lens by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug by moving the fingerprint button. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the top right. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working macro and depth cameras from the board. Next, pull out the logic board. First, disconnect and pull out the fingerprint module. Next, take out the SIM tray. Next, relax the graphite tape on the battery. And then disconnect 2 connectors and 2 antenna heads from the logic board. Next, undo the screw holding the logic board. And now, gently lift the logic board from the side. Pull out the logic board and then disconnect and pull out the not working wide and ultra wide cameras from the logic board. Next, place the new wide and ultra wide cameras on the logic board. Next, gently place and secure the logic board on the body. Slide in from the front and then secure the screw. Next, insert the SIM tray. Next, secure two connectors to the board and then place the graphite tape. Next, secure both antenna heads to the board. Next, secure the fingerprint module. Next, secure the new macro and depth cameras to the logic board. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the board. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, secure the board frame by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Gently secure the back cover by holding the fingerprint button. Finally, we add in binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.